Next, I'm going to go into rally order. I'm good first. I mean, and one thing to note here is that your hostess credit's not going to calculate until you have all the guest orders in. So let's do rallies order real quick here. I'm going to order play print click on the order box here, and it will come up. So I have Rally's order here. I'm going to product search for her real quick. I'm going to do a main attraction just for ease of use here. I'm going to say two. I'm going to add that. So I put into main attractions for her. I have the back order quantity of 0 in here, so I'm gonna leave that, and I'm going to this time I am going to show you how to save this in. If I put in one here, let's say she ordered two. I have one with me, so I gave her one. One is going to be back ordered. I just hit update cart and that's saved. Okay. I can also remember, like we talked about before, I could give her a discount on that order by either setting a new price or doing a discount either by dollars or percentages. I'm not going to give her a discount on this order. I can see the shipping information. An important note is this is using our Avalara tax service. So sales tax is being looked up based upon this address, right? So if you change it to some different tax area or sales tax area, it will automatically change the calculation of that sales tax. If there's ever any questions about what we're pulling or the system is pulling about the tax rate for that person, you just hover over tax right here, and it shows you that for this address, it's charging 7% tax on both the order and the shipping amount. Okay. So let's just say I have this order for Rally. I have two items, but she doesn't have enough money to pay me in total. Let's just say she has cash on her of, she came with $300. Okay. I'm going to apply that payment. So she's paid the $300. She still has a balance due of $111.96. There's an underpayment, meaning she owes me money. I understand that. So I'm going to go back up and I'm going to go back to the party and I'm going to show you guys what that looks like in the summary. So in the summary, I have her total that she had was $411.96. She paid me 300 in cash, so she still owes me $111.96. So we can track that. Let's say that I want to go back to the order and she goes back and she finds her credit card in her car and she decides to add to pay me. I'm going to add that credit card in here. Now she owes me 0 and I can complete the order. So that's great, right? Order successfully submitted. I click OK. It takes me back to the summary page, which is really awesome.